Hello, hello and good morning dear students. I again welcome back to your online class, and in today's class we will be doing exercise 2b question number 3 to evaluate starting from part 3. Okay, the question is 8 plus 4 plus 2 whole to the power 0. Okay, this whole to the power 0. Now here we can see 8 plus 4. So what is 8 plus 4? 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14, isn't it? So within the first bracket it is 14 and whole to the power 0. Okay, so 14 to the power 0 is again in the form of a to the power 0, and we know that anything to the power 0 is always equals to 1. Okay, this is question number 3 part 3. Okay, so you can pause the video and note it down. We move to part 4. Part 4 is also similar to part 3. It is 4 into x to the power 0. Okay, 4 is 4 only into x to the power 0. Now what is x to the power 0? I mentioned yesterday also, anything to the power 0 is always equals to 1. So similarly, x to the power 0 will also be equals to 1. So hence 4 into 1 is 4. So this is the answer. So please pause the video again, note it down. Okay, similarly we move to number part 5. In part 5 we have 4 into x whole to the power 0. Remember that, 4 into x whole to the power 0. Now again this power 0 is for both 4 and x. So what we can do, we can always use the power law. This power 0 is for both this and this. So when I open the bracket, 4 to the power 0 into x to the power 0. Alright, so 4 to the power 0 is 1. X to the power 0 is also equals to 1. 1 into 1 is always 1. Alright boys, so this is your part 5. Okay, these are very easy questions. I move to part 6. Let's move to part 6. There's a box bracket to the power 5, and there's a inside this first bracket we have 10 to the power 3 to the power 0. Okay, copy the question first, then we will see how to do. Right? Good. So let's start now. Within the first bracket you can see it is 10 to the power 3. Now how much is 10 to the power 3? 10 to the power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10. Multiply 10 3 times, right? So 10 tens are 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. 3 zeros. Okay, so 10 cube is 1000. 1000 to the power 0. Now anything to the power 0 always equals to 1, which becomes 1 to the power 5, and hence 1 to the power 5 is 1 to the power 5 means multiply 1 how many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, so hence the answer is also 1. So this is your part 6. Okay, please pause the video till here and note it down. Alright boys, let's move to part 8. Part 7 will be your homework. Question 3, part 7 will be your homework. I move to question number 3, part 8. Now in question number 3, part 8, the question is 9 to the power 0 plus 9 to the power minus 1 minus 9 to the power minus 2 plus 9 to the power half minus 9 to the power minus half. Okay? Wherever is the power negative, we will make the power positive by taking down to denominator, and wherever it is to the power half, we'll try to write in its exponential form. Okay? So let's start with the first term. 9 to the power 0. We know anything to the power 0 is always equals to 1. So hence it is 1 plus 9 to the power minus 1. Make it positive. It will be 1 divided by 9 to the power 1, which is 9. Okay? Whenever the power is negative, we can make the power positive by taking down in denominator. Okay? Similar case out here. 1 by 9 square. Your power is positive. I'll keep it in the numerator only. 9 can be written as 9's 3 square to the power half minus 3 square to the power minus half. I hope you are clear till here. Okay? After that, 1 remains as 1 plus 1 by 9 as 1 by 9 minus 9 square. 9 nines are 81 plus. I can use the power law. The power gets multiplied. 3 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. Now many of you write the power in this way. Please don't write the powers in this way. Okay, the power should be exactly at the top. 3 to the power 2 like this. Clear? Okay. Now the power gets multiplied, 3 to the power 2 into half, and similarly 3 to the power 2 into minus half. Now what happens out here is this and this cancel out, this and this also gets cancelled out. Let us simplify further. 1 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 81 plus 3 to the power 1, 3, and minus 3 to the power minus 1 will be 1 by 3. Clear with this? Right. Okay. So 1 plus 3, this 1 and this 3. 1 plus 3, 4, plus, let's keep the remaining one, 1 by 9 minus 1 by 81 minus 1 by 3. Okay. So now we need to take the LCM of 9, 81 and 3. Alright, let's take the LCM of 9, 81 and 3. When you take the LCM 3, 9, 81, you'll be getting, take the LCM, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So you will be getting 81, boys. 81. So 1 divided by 81, okay. So 4 by 1, the LCM is 81. So 1 into 81 times, 81 into 4, do it, 81 into 4, 4 adds up, 4 ones are 4, 4 adds are 32. So 324, okay, plus 9 9s are 81, so 9 ones are 9, okay, minus 81 ones are, so this is 1, minus 3, 27, so 27 ones are 27. So I hope you are clear with this calculation. Please pause the video and note it down till here. Alright, so after taking the LCM you'll get this much. 324 plus 9 is 333. Add these two numbers and this is minus 28. And when you subtract it you get 305 by 81, which is the answer, and try to keep it in mixed fraction form. So 3 whole number 62 by 81 is the final answer. So please pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, so we are moving into the last question for today's class. That is question number 4 part 1. In question number 4 part 1, the question says to simplify it. Simplify, okay. A to the power 5 into b to the power 2 divided by a to the power 2 b to the power minus 3. Okay, what we need to do is to simplify. Now we have used the quotient law, right? Quotient law. Your quotient law says a to the power 5, a to the power 3 can be written as a to the power 5 minus 3. Whenever the bases are same and there's a division sign, I can always subtract the powers, provided the bases are same. Okay, so same goes out here. A to the power 5, a to the power 2. I can always subtract this. This becomes a to the power 5 minus 2. The power gets subtracted. Similarly here also, a to the power 2 minus, b to the power 2 minus this, isn't it? So when it goes up to the numerator, it becomes actually plus, which is this. That is a to the power 3 into b to the power 5. So when you calculate, you get this much. If you are confused in this part, whenever I am taking the power to the negative, to the numerator, the power becomes positive. Okay, because minus into minus, it will be plus. Alright, so this is your answer. Pause the video and note it down. Alright, we are using the quotient law out here. Revise the quotient law also. And in today's homework will be question number 3 part 7, question number 4 part 2, and question number 4 part 3. Okay, so we'll keep this much for today, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. So complete all your assignments, today's work, and submit it to me by tomorrow. Okay, take care and bye-bye.